Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you how to be remote at the house. So first thing we have to determine is how far away your router or your internet connection is from where your computer is going to be. That's the big determination, and that determines how big this cable is going to be. I got 25 foot and 50 foot cables. So they'll be downstairs, and you can either take a 50 foot and if you think it's going to be longer, that way you can run it all the way to your router and come, and you're going to plug into this box. This is a switch, but it's also the power for the phone. So this is going to go plug into a wall. Here's the plug. You're going to plug into the wall next to your router, and then you're going to plug this into your router. You'll have like 3 or 4 ports typically on your router. You're going to plug that into your router, and then you're going to take this out, which I don't have ready, but it'll give you an idea of what we're going to do. And this is real life. Okay, so then we plug any of these ports, doesn't matter. This is called a powered port. So it's actually supplying the power for the phone. So this is going to be the easiest way to do it. Let's plug it in. We've got 2 ports down here, top and bottom, if I've got the back of the phone. You're going to plug it into the bottom one. I'm probably going to have that already done for you with your phone before you leave. Now with this plugged in, you've got to unplug it from here because it's easier to do that. You're going to hold down the number 7 button, and then either you get help or you can do it yourself. Show it down here, Dan. Where I'm just going to plug it in, and then the phone's going to power up. And you hold this down until you get the first window that'll say, set up Teleworker. And then you're going to follow these instructions that are right here. It's really simple. Okay? So when it just prompts you through, just remember that the number that you're going to put in is 47.180.101.33. So you're going to press 47, and the hashtag or the pound sign is your dot. And if you make a mistake, you just press your star and it'll go back. That's pretty much all you need to know. When you're done, it's going to prompt you through a couple of things it's going to say in here. And then to save it, you're just going to do down arrow. And then it's going to ask you what you want to do to save, and it'll say star. And star will actually save and get you out. And you're done. I would like to see you test it before you leave. And I'm going to show Dan how to do that. We're going to do it live. Okay?